Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a good one. You already know it's Mr. Rob, or you can call me Rob. And hopefully, I want you guys to know I have a good one for you guys today. So before I get into what I'm going to be talking about today with you guys, I want to thank you guys for all the love you showed me on the last video. Thanks for all the likes and all the views. I really appreciate it. And all the new subscribers, I really appreciate of you guys smashing that subscribe button. And also to people who are new to the channel, if you have not hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, please. But only subscribe if you love my content and you want to learn to speak English. You know what I'm saying? Only do it for that. So enough of that. Let's talk about what we're going to be talking about in this video. Because in the last adverbs video, we talked about how adverbs can modify adjectives. But in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how adverbs can modify verbs and how adverbs can modify adverbs. I know you guys are probably thinking like, wow, is that even possible? Just stay tuned and listen and watch and learn, okay? You will see how it's possible. Okay. So we're going to start with how adverbs can modify verbs. So in this video, I won't tell you what an adverb is because I talked about it in the last adverb video. If you did not watch it, then go back to the last adverb video and then watch it. But I can tell you what a verb is. A verb is an action word that portrays some sort of action in a sentence. Okay, that's what a verb is. So how can an adverb modify a verb? How is this even possible? It has, how can I say this? It has 5 steps of how it's possible, or 5 ways of how it's possible. Because when an adverb modifies a verb, it usually tells us how, when, where, why, how often, or how much, right? That's what it does. So when all this stuff is happening, it's really telling us how the action is being performed. However the action is being performed, how the action is being performed, when the action is being performed, where the action is being performed, why the action is being performed, how often is the action being performed, or how much the action is being performed. That's how it does it. So let me give you examples so you can better understand on what I mean by how the action is being performed. So let's go. He ran quickly. How? He ran quickly is for how. Quickly is the adverb and ran is the verb. He ran yesterday. When? It tells you when he did it. Yesterday is the adverb and ran is the verb. He ran here. This sentence tells you where. And here is the adverb and ran is the verb. How often? Let me tell you how often. He ran daily. Daily is the adverb and ran is the verb. How much? He ran the fastest. This is telling you how much. So because this is telling you how much, fastest has to be the adverb and ran is the verb. In these sentences are the examples of how, when, where, how often, and how much. But I want you to know as well that adverbs usually end with lys, but not all of them. As you can see, we have yesterday here. It did not end with ly. We have here. It did not end with ly. And we have fastest, and it did not end with ly. So make sure you watch out for that. Okay, now that you know how adverbs can modify verbs, we can move on to the next one. The next one would be adverbs modifying adverbs. And I know you're like still thinking, how is that possible? Don't worry. This is now and then you will finally know how that is possible. So an adverb can modify another adverb. The modifying adverb usually clarifies the degree or intensity of the adverb. So let me tell you what clarifies and the degree. That means that it shows you how much emotion is being portrayed in the sentence using the 2 adverbs. Okay? So let me give you some examples so you can better understand what I'm talking about. Jeff is running very fast. Fast is an adverb, and very is the adverb that is modifying fast. Jen is reading so quickly. Quickly is an adverb, and so is the adverb modifying quickly. Please work very carefully. Carefully is an adverb, and very is the adverb that is modifying carefully. Robin was speaking so rudely. As you can see, rudely is the adverb, and so is the adverb modifying rudely. So there you go. There you guys have it. Now you guys should know how adverbs can modify verbs and how adverbs can modify adverbs. So that's all for this video. So I want you guys to make sure you watch this video and you better understand, and make sure you guys are English are improving, because that's what I want and that's what you guys need as well. So hey, have a good one, guys. Stay eagerly to learn.